The main reason for our visit in Xi'an is to see the terracotta warriors, and that is exactly where we are going today. Before, however, we quickly pop into one of the local terracotta factories located on the outskirts of Xi'an. Even before entering the building, we can see underground furnaces used for firing clay souvenirs. Inside, workers are busy putting finishing touches on the terracotta statues. If we are to believe our tour guide, this factory not only produces warrior statues from the same clay from which the original army was made of centuries ago, but it also assists in restoration and reconstruction of the original statues. In addition, the factory is involved in making furniture. We can watch one of the artists finishing painting on a table ordered by a buyer from overseas. As can be expected from the shop, there is here for sale a big collection of souvenirs of different size and from different materials, including terracotta and so popular in China, jade. We check out the entire display carefully before making the choice. Today we are buying a small terracotta statue of an archer.